This is Adam's Answers, and we're talking about Guilty Pleasures, Volume 1. Hey everybody. Now, every now and then on this program, we're gonna be a little silly. And this is one of those moments. Now, what you're gonna hear me talking about today is puking, barfing, throwing up, hurling, ralphing, yakking, spewing, tossing your cookies, losing your lunch, upchucking, worshiping the porcelain throne. Did I cover them all? I'm sure I missed some. Leave a comment, let me know what I missed. I have to tell you, I love barf videos. I love barf stories. I love everything about barfing except actually performing the act. Should I feel bad that I find this so funny? Because I'm watching a person who is literally going through a gut-wrenchingly horrible experience. I thought maybe I'd share with you some of my favorite barf things. And this might be my life's most epic. It was New Year's Eve, 7th grade. My best friend Mark Brink had slept over, and we'd been eating these rice crackers all night, which to this day I cannot eat. So I woke up in the middle of the night, felt the barf coming on, jumped up, started running for the bathroom, but I instead puked all over the main room in our basement, an area 30 feet wide. My parents and Mark Brink will never forget the sight of that giant swatch of puke. And now, because you've been so good, I have a special surprise for you. It's Cousin Aaron, here to make the sound of puking. All right, see if any of these make you need to hurl. Okay, first, Aaron, give us the generic puke. Okay, good, good. Now, give us the exhausted puke. Okay, that was exhausting. All right, how about the laugh so hard you puke?
Okay, all right. Uh-oh.
Okay, excellent. And finally, for the grand finale, we have a friend named Tomas who pukes with extreme force. Show everyone how he does.
Oh, the classic.
For more Adam's Answers, it's here. And also, please become one of our awesome subscribers. Don't miss a single Adam's Answers moment. And also, next week, there's gonna be our Adam's Answers website going live.